Affiliate marketing, it's seen as this catch-all solution for anyone that's looking to make money online. Oh, you know what? I'll start a YouTube channel and bang, I'll make money online. Ah, yeah! Now, I've made over $10,000 in affiliate marketing over the last 2 to 3 years on this channel alone. I even disclose all of this in a video, which I'll link in the description down below, and I'll place in the iCard of everything that I've earned from affiliate marketing recently. The good thing about affiliate marketing is anyone with a YouTube channel, anyone with any kind of online presence can do it. You don't need to be monetized on YouTube. You don't need to beat your way to those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to be monetized, because it doesn't directly use the YouTube monetization program. You don't have to be part of the YouTube partner program to make money on your YouTube videos. The way it works is, let's say I'm talking about the equipment that I use. Then there'll be a link in the description down below that links you to my website, and then you'll be able to see if the tripod and the camera and the microphone and the lighting that I happen to use. When you buy that, I get a small percentage through Amazon, or if you was to sign up for a service down below, for example, maximizing your SEO on your YouTube channel using vidIQ, adding subtitles via rev.com, or adding B-roll from places like Storyblocks, then I would get a percentage of the sale and ongoing payment, maybe if you have some form of monthly agreement with them. It can be a good way to pad your bottom line and grow over time. I was able to go full-time on YouTube with just 3,000 subscribers, and I hadn't been overly monetized by YouTube. It was all done via affiliate marketing, pushing people to my consultancy programs where I directly work with you. I analyze your channel, I give you direct actionable advice. Those clients and those affiliate links that really helped me, which, by the way, if you want to work with me, once again, link in the description down below. We can work one-on-one together and help grow your channel personally, just you. Now, anyone can start with affiliate marketing. It's as simple as Googling affiliate program and then the name of the brand that you're looking to represent. You'll be amazed how many companies have an affiliate scheme of some kind. Alternatively, you can go to a specific company that you have some kind of affinity with, or you feel that you could promote very well, and then you email them, "Hi, I'm Alan, I've got a YouTube channel, I really like your product. This is the thing that I can kind of do and I can offer you. This is the value I feel that I can offer to your customers," and that way you build a connection with them. In fact, you may even be able to build some kind of connection that may not even exist even yet. Say, for example, you talk about how great cars are and you hook up with a car dealership. Or you're talking about how wonderful your travel happens to be and you hook up with some kind of insurance company. Alternatively, you can go to places like Commission Junction, Impact, Partner Stack. There's places like DoubleClick. There's all over the place. Awin is another one. What these are is a giant list. Basically, you sign up for an affiliate account, and then you can search through this giant database of companies that need affiliate marketers. You apply, you put in your traffic stats and that kind of thing, and they'll either approve or deny you. This could be fantastic for people that have a scattered content base. So, for example, 1 minute you're talking about camping and there's tents, there's a link, and the next minute you're talking about camping RVs, there's a link. I still always advise that you stick within a niche of a video, but these kind of sites could give you a huge array of stuff that you could push people to. My blog's very good at this. I can talk about things in blogs. Copyright, link. B-roll, link. Graphics, link. Subtitles, link. I could write a blog about virtual YouTubers and talk about the software they need to use or the costumes they want to wear, etc, etc, etc. Now, the ugly truth about affiliate marketing is you need volume for it to happen. You need huge amounts of people to push and click through. Unless you find an audience that is very hyper-focused and very engaged, willing to buy, you will need to push a few hundred, a few thousand people in a direction for you to start getting links and clicks. But I have some affiliate programs that continue to cookie people. In other words, hook them in, claim that they're mine, it's even better, and then in the long run, should they upgrade, I then get the privilege, the benefit, the proof that that's my payment, and then it continues to tick up. I've got one affiliate program that I was pushing very, very hard for 2 years. I gained a load of leads. I then left it for a year, and I was still making sales passively in the background because those cookied people had been proven to be mine, and the sales were associated to me once they had upgraded. That's a SaaS product, a software as a service. In other words, you would sign up, you need that software to do your job. Say, for example, vidIQ. You're then paying vidIQ monthly, and I would get a small slice on a monthly regular basis, for example. Storyblocks, Adobe Suites, these are other good examples. If you're not willing to go out the way to search for these kind of giant sites to search through links, you can also apply for things like Amazon affiliates, and then you just link directly from Amazon into your description. If you need more help on making money online through affiliate marketing, there's not only a video here, but I've got a deep dive blog here. Now, I don't do blogs very often, so that's very important. Go check that out.